Nestled in this idyllic natural setting, amongst the hills and lakes outside Jamestown, New York, is the birthplace of about 40% of North America's over-the-road trucks. This is Cummins Jamestown Engine Plant.
We build the world's best engines that go into the heavy-duty trucking industry. A lot of them go into the on-the-road trucks, some of them go into the off-road applications, but anything 12 liters to 15 liters is what we build here at our facility.
Founded in 1974 with a focus on flexibility and the ability to transform, the Jamestown Engine Plant continues to agilely adapt. Cummins has invested over $400 million to accommodate change, expand capacity, and capability.
We have a very exciting product coming, the X15, and it will be a fuel agnostic program. What fuel agnostic means is we'll be able to build it in multiple different ways so that a customer can choose either a natural gas powered engine, a diesel powered engine, and in the future, a hydrogen powered engine, and maybe even other alternative fuels.
This is the next evolution of the internal combustion engine. We're developing, as we have been for decades now, to adapt the internal combustion engines to the latest emissions requirements, customer needs. These fuel agnostic programs are just the next step in our Destination Zero strategy.
Throughout the plant, there's multiple areas that are being expanded. We're expanding our flywheel line. That's a completely new line within the last few years. We're expanding our camshaft lines, and then we're also expanding our assembly line.
Quality control in machining is absolutely critical. Our customers demand a product that lasts 1,000,000 miles plus, and we need to ensure that everything that we make here in the plant goes out in the highest quality possible. The Camshaft Center of Excellence is new for us here at JEP. It is essentially letting the world know that JEP is a powerhouse of camshaft manufacturing. We know how to make any type of camshaft, and we make literally hundreds of thousands of them every year.
Ever-advancing technology means implementing advanced automation systems to help keep operators safe. Robots and cobots are part of that process.
Robot is more of the traditional style that people are used to seeing. They're fully caged, no operator interference allowed due to the safety risk. Cobots are robots that can work alongside human operators collaboratively. The purpose of a cobot is to take some of the tasks that are ergonomically unfriendly for an operator, very repetitive motion, heavy lifting, twisting, things that are unhealthy for an operator to do over a long period of time. They also help from a quality standpoint, the repeatability of their motions versus a human operator.
Protecting employees while protecting the environment takes focus and dedication.
My role covers the health and safety and environmental of the entire plant, 1,500 plus employees. We face challenges every single day, but with our hard work and commitment of all the employees, we strive to be safe every day, coming into work and leaving work. Our commitment to the environment is very important, not only for the plant, but for the surrounding areas. We currently have a commitment for the net zero waste, water, and energy. Right now, we're net zero to landfill, so we don't take any waste to the landfill. All of our waste at the plant is 100% recycled. We have solar panels on our rooftop to help with our net zero energy usage. We currently have a wastewater treatment plant on site in place. We have a reverse osmosis system that currently saves about 3.5 million gallons of water per year. So very important to the plant, very important to the community environment.
Together, we've built more than 2.5 million engines here in Chautauqua County, New York.
Because this is the largest employer here in Chautauqua County, we have multiple generations coming to work. In fact, I'm one of the examples. My dad worked here for 23 years, and me and two of my brothers. I also have a cousin who is an engineer here at the plant as well. We here at JEP take our responsibility to be involved in the community very seriously. We're well on our way to reaching our annual goal of 75% employee participation to volunteering in the community. JEP donates over $400,000 annually between partnering with our local United Way, our corporate match, and our local grant process.
Proudly as a team, we have always made our products JEP strong.
Trust, growth, equity, flexibility, and excellence are the 5 operating concepts for the Jamestown Engine Plant. And here, almost 50 years later, they're still in play, and we still utilize them and rely on them every day to meet or hopefully exceed the needs of the customer.
I will tell you that the folks at the Jamestown Engine Plant are the most dedicated people that I've ever worked with. Each and every one of us, we work together and we all have the same pride in the engine. It's just great to be with the people who are willing to do anything. We know what our customers desire, we know what the customers demand, and we know what the challenges that are up against. And the whole team here is just always looking forward to solving those problems and giving our customers the best experience that they can possibly have. The future for JEP is bright. Currently, we have the best acceptance of our engines. With the new engine platforms that are coming, we are going to continue to be flexible, offering our customers even better products and growing even more.
The Jamestown Engine Plant, where the world's best and most innovative heavy-duty engines are built.